Number 1. 1976 Ford Ranger, $4,500, Las Cruces, New Mexico. Here's a solid classic from the 70s, a 1976 Ford F-150 Ranger, powered by a 351 V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's currently a project, but the truck runs and has all the bed moldings included. The body looks strong and straight, perfect for a full restoration or a clean patina-style build. For under $5,000, this Ranger is a great starting point for anyone who wants an authentic 70s Ford pickup project. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet Silverado truck, $4,200, Hutchinson, Kansas. Now this one's a dependable classic, a 1981 Chevy Silverado that's been kept in great mechanical condition. It's loaded with fresh parts like a new windshield, AC system, tires, and even a remachined carburetor. The inline-6 engine runs beautifully, and the bumpers are still shining like new. It's the kind of classic truck you can jump in and drive anywhere. Smooth, strong, and super reliable. Number 3. 1986 Ford Ranger, $1,300, Wheatfields, Arizona. Here's a budget-friendly project, a 1986 Ford Ranger 4x4 with a lift kit and a clean body. The engine starts, but needs some tuning to idle properly. Interior seats are in nice shape, and the frame only has surface rust. For someone looking to revive a small off-road pickup, this Ranger is a solid deal with great potential at just $1,300. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet C10, $7,000, Scappoose, Oregon. This 1982 Chevrolet C10 is a near-original survivor in excellent shape. It's powered by a 250 inline-6 paired with an automatic transmission and features dual factory tanks, canopy, new aluminum radiator, and new battery. The truck is almost rust-free and includes decades of service records from its previous owner. It's the kind of well-kept square body that's perfect for collectors or an LS swap project. Number 5. 1989 Toyota pickup Xtra cab, $8,500, San Marcos, California. The 1989 Toyota pickup Xtra cab is a true survivor from the golden era of reliable Japanese trucks. It's powered by the legendary 22R engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. This one's been owned by the same person for over 20 years and comes with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. With a clean body and great drivability, it's an ideal choice for collectors or enthusiasts who love dependable vintage Toyotas. Number 6. 1973 GMC Sierra Grande, $9,500, Healdsburg, California. This beast of a truck, the 1973 GMC Sierra Grande 2500, comes with a big block 454 V8 and a manual transmission. It's well cared for and runs excellent. Classic square body styling, bold blue paint, and strong performance make this truck a standout example of GMC's heavy-duty craftsmanship from the 70s. Number 7. 1971 Datsun Nissan pickup, $2,975, Hollister, California. Here's a gem for classic Japanese truck fans, the 1971 Datsun pickup. It's a rare, rust-free example with a 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual. Recently fitted with new tires, clutch, and spark plug cables, this little truck is ready to roll. Registered through 2026, it drives great and turns heads everywhere. Tough, reliable, and full of vintage charm, a perfect small classic hauler. Number 8, 1965 Chevrolet C10, $7,000, Nipomo, California. A true family-owned treasure, this 1965 Chevrolet C10 features its original 283 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With just over 138,000 miles, it's an ideal candidate for restoration. Everything from the AM radio to the classic body lines reminds you why the C10 is one of America's most beloved classic trucks. Number 9, 1968 Ford F-250 Ranger Camper Special, $6,000, Northridge, California. The 1968 Ford F-250 Ranger Camper Special is built for strength and comfort. Powered by a 360 V8 and C6 automatic transmission, it runs well and has had major brake work done recently. There's some rust and a few non-working accessories, but mechanically, it's solid. A perfect truck for someone who wants vintage Ford durability at an affordable price. Number 10, 1966 Chevrolet C20, $14,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1966 Chevy C20 is an excellent example of a clean, well-kept 3/4-ton pickup. It features the original 327 V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. No power steering or AC, but it does have power brakes. Finished in a custom color, this truck shows just how timeless and tough these 60s Chevys still are. Number 11, 1965 Dodge 200, $2,000, Redding, California. Here's something rare, a 1965 Dodge 200 utility bed pickup. It's all original and features a Poly 318 V8 with an automatic transmission. It comes with its keys, runs but needs brake work, and even has a functional hand crane in the bed. For a $2,000 price tag, it's an awesome piece of Dodge history that could double as a restoration or display truck. Number 12, 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $18,000, Sacramento, California. A short bed 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside with a 350 V8 and a 4-speed manual. This is a muscle truck from the golden era. It has 4-wheel disc brakes and a strong running engine. The paint is decent, and overall it's a head-turning driver that captures the heart of every classic truck lover. Number 13, 1973 Chevrolet C20 Longbed, $13,000, Elgin, Arizona. This 1973 Chevy C20 is a serious hauler, powered by a 454 with Edelbrock upgrades, stainless headers, and a freshly rebuilt Turbo 400 transmission. It's loaded with towing accessories, dual tanks, and a clean interior. Mechanically solid and ready for work or weekend cruising, this C20 offers muscle, style, and old-school toughness. Number 14, 1999 Chevrolet S10, $500, San Antonio, Texas. For those who love a challenge, here's a 1999 Chevy S10 with a blown head gasket and timing issues. It's being sold as a salvage project, but if you're into rebuilding or customizing small pickups, this could be your next fun budget build. At $500, it's basically a blank canvas. Number 15, 1970 Chevrolet Fleetside Longbed, $12,000, Ukiah, California. This 1970 Chevy Fleetside Longbed is clean, rust-free, and ready to roll. Powered by a V8 with power steering, it's a solid example of a well-preserved classic work truck. Simple, straight, and dependable, exactly what makes 70s Chevys so loved among collectors. Number 16, 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $12,000, Spokane, Washington. The 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special is a great project truck that just needs finishing touches. The body is in great condition with minimal rust, and the frame is solid. The engine was rebuilt only 500 miles ago, but needs a carburetor and air filter to run. Once complete, this blue F-250 will be a strong and stylish classic ready for the open road.